Welcome. Now we will come to know NMDC share. It's nothing but a mining company share, iron ore mining company share of Government of India. It is a public sector unit. Now we will do NMD share analysis, NMDC share price target, next day when, and NMDC share news, latest news, what is the dividend history, PE ratios, what is the beta value, and NMDC share resistance and support level. Now we will see the price to earning ratio, PE ratio of metal index is 33.32, but if you see NMDC share P ratio is only 11.65, almost 3 times less than the metal index P ratio. So it is very cheap only. So we can consider if any based on the PE also. Now we can see the debt to equity ratio. Debt to equity ratio is nothing but how much loans and liabilities they are having. It is if it is under 1, it is good for the company. So it is under 1 only value you can see. Never from 2017 it went above 0.13. So it is very good. Debt to equity ratio, they don't have any loan almost. So debt to equity ratio also very good. And NMDC, what will be the dividend amount? If you see the dividend yield is 3.66%. Dividend yield is nothing but when they pay say 1 rupees, what is the price of the share at that time? 1 rupees divided by the price of the share on that particular date. That is the dividend yield. So dividend yield is good only, very good, 3.66. Normally anything about 2.5 is good. So it is also good only. You can see they are given from 50 rupees 2017, then around 4.5 rupees, then 4 rupees, again 8, 12, up to 12 rupees they have given recently, and now around 4 or 5 rupees. Dividend yield is very, very good. So definitely dividend yield is good, and debt to equity ratio also very good. And beta, if you see actually beta is also very good only, that I will explain later on. Before that, I am Ganesh Babu from GB Investor Zone. Disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered share market consultant. Next, this is purely a education purpose video only. So we will see the what will be the NMDC share price targets next. Before that, this is based on the supply and demand concept. No indicators, no noises, 94% success rate. These are all the benefits you will get. Please like, share and subscribe without fail. I know definitely you will come again to refer my levels. When you come at that time, don't forget to subscribe and like. And these are all the shares, Delta, Reliance, these shares and all. I have done analysis based on the supply and demand concept. You can go to my GB Investor Zone and have a look and get benefited. Now you will come to know what is the technical analysis, what will be the next high target, when the new high will come. 1 year trend, if you see, it's sideways, you can say uptrend, but sideways only. 6 month downtrend, 3 month almost sideways, 1 month uptrend only. So it is having, if you see 1 year trend, not of scope to go up. So mainly because of China news, stimulus, and iron ore prices increased yesterday, it is going up. So now we will see the next target and when it will come. So now you can see it is just below my supply zone 1 and above the strong demand zone is there at 239.92. So if it comes below strong demand zone, then it may target the gap line at 235. Below the gap line, NMDC share may target the next demand zone at 228. If NMDC share comes below the demand zone 1, it may come up to demand zone 2. And there's a 1-day trend line, green color, you can see 1-day trend line. So high, low risk investor can take entry here. Whenever there's a bounce back from the demand zone 1, you can take the entry. So gap line also is there, but it is very bullish only due to China news. So people can take entry if the supply zone 1 gives a breakout, NMDC share. If it gives a breakout, they can take a entry above the supply zone 1, and the next target will be around heavy supply zone. It will be around 252. So next target around 252. If heavy supply zone NMDC share gives a breakout with big candle and strong volume, then the next target will be my supply zone 2 around 263, 261. Again, if there's a breakout with big candle and strong volume above the supply zone 2, the next target will be all-time high at 284. If there is a breakout again, then the next target, new all-time high. Actually, if you see the new all-time high will be around 350. Maybe it may take some time, but generally metals, if it is bullish, immediately it will fire up. Already we are seeing the metal index and all firing up. So this is the upside and downside target. Whenever there is a breakout above the supply zone 1, any supply zone 1 gives a breakout with big candle and strong volume, you can enter. If it is unable to give a breakout above the supply zone 1, after touching the supply zone, it comes down with a big candle and strong volume, then we have to exit. Again, when our demand zone comes and there is a bounce back with big candle and strong volume, then you can consider entry. If you want to know more exactly about how to enter and all that, in my previous videos, which I have shown with example, whatever share I gave with that example like this, how it bounced back for Reliance share and Bank Nifty and all I given, you can just go and refer. So thank you. Please like, subscribe without fail. And the beta value of NMD share is around 1.52, which is very good in the sense if Nifty moves by 100 points, NMDC share will move up by 150 points. Similarly, when Nifty goes down by 100 points, NMDC share will go by 150 points. People who want to take high risk, willing to take high risk, they can consider NMDC share because dividend yield also it is very good, so you can consider. So if you want to know how to make entry and all, just you can see